I welcome the little Goenkans of grade 2 to their mathematics class. Dear Goenkans, today in this class we are doing chapter number 4, multiplication. Please read this note carefully before doing your work. Now today in this class I will be discussing the concept of doubles, where we will learn what do we mean by the double and what do we get after we double a number. So, to get a double of a number, we add the same number to itself. Okay, dear Goenkans, for example, double of 2 is 2 plus 2. Okay, now let us see this example. Double the number means adding the same number twice, and we can easily solve it by multiplying the number by 2. Let us see the example. For example, double of 4. I am having 4 balls here plus 4 more balls, and what is the total? It is 8. So 4 plus 4 is 8, or we can say 2 times 4 is 8 because we are adding 4 2 times. Now let us see some more examples. Double of 1. Look here. 1 plus 1 is 2. We are having two eyes, pair of 2 eyes. One on the left side and one on the right side. So 1 plus 1 is 2. In the same way, see, double of 2. Here I am having a dog. He is having 4 legs. 2 on the front and 2 on the back. So 2 plus 2 is 4. Or 2 into 2 is 4. Is it clear, dear Goenkans? Now double of 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Isn't it? Or 2 times 3 is 6. Is it clear, dear Goenkans? Now look at the hand. Look at your hand. We are having, one hand is having 5 fingers. So 5 plus 5 is equal to 10 because we have 5 fingers in one hand, thus making a total of 10 fingers. So 2 times 5 is equal to 10. I hope, my dear Goenkans, you enjoyed this session of doubles. I will get back to you with one more session. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye and thank you.